Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching again another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode, I guess you've seen the title. It's about the Apollo Supreme Max, but this time we'll do an extensive sound testing. So this is the Apollo Supreme Max. It has two 10-watt speakers and two radiators in front. So what are we waiting for? Let's do more testing. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! that ends our show for today. 5 stars on the sounds, 5 stars on the build, thumbs up all the way, and I have no complaints about this product. It's a buy, ladies and gentlemen. So if you have budget today, or if you plan to buy this bare months, or planning to give as a gift for Christmas, this is one of those mini sound bars that you should think about. So hindi ka lugi dito, sulit ang pera mo, hindi ka mahihiyang pang regalo. So this costs less than 1,000 pesos plus delivery. So anytime you could go to Lazada and go to the Suntex flagship store. Okay, go to the Suntex flagship store. It's still available, I hope. They're still stock. But knowing Suntex, they won't let go of this. So it's one of their flagship brands. Okay, so that's it. So thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video. See you on the next product review. Bye!
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat.